Standard 10th Mathematics exercise 1.3 fifth question. Let f of x is equal to 2x plus 5 and x is not equal to 0, then find f of x plus 2 minus f of 2 divided by x. Okay, so given your condition, they are given f of x is equal to 2x plus 5. So this is the condition they have given it. Okay, and they have asked you to find f of x plus 2, then f of 2, then this whole part you will have to find it. Okay, so first we will go with f of x plus 2. So just see your condition, f of x is given. So in the place of x we are writing x plus 2. Okay, so wherever x is there, just write x plus 2, you will get this line. Okay, so that is equal to 2 into, instead of x you will have to write x plus 2. So x plus 2 plus 5. Now solving. So now you will have to go for multiplication, that is 2 has to be multiplied for x and 2. Okay, so 2 into x it will become 2x plus 2 2s are 4 plus this 5 just bring as it is down. So that is equal to 2x keep as it is. Only 4 and 5 you will have to add it. So 4 plus 5 to become 9. So now we have got the answer for x plus 2. Next we will have to find f of 2. So just write f of 2. Now see a question, f of x, in the place of x we have got 2. So towards your right hand side also, wherever x is there you will have to put 2 only. Okay, so that is equal to 2 into, instead of x you will have to put 2 because we are writing here 2, then here also you will have to write 2 only. Okay, so plus 5. So which is equal to, now over here solving, 2 2s are 4 plus 5 which is equal to 9. So now you have got this value as well as this value. So now the whole thing you will have to find it. So write that whole thing as it is, f of x plus 2 minus f of 2 divided by x. So your first part answer what we have got it here towards your right hand side. Write it here, that is 2x plus 9 instead of your f of x plus 2, that answer. Okay, so minus this minus you leave it as it is. Then f of 2 answer is 9. So in this place f of 2 you will have to put 9. This minus is because of this minus, they have given minus only. Okay, whole thing divided by x is here, so put that x as it is. Now you can cancel this, plus 9 and minus 9 will go. So left out will be only this 2x. So write that 2x divided by this x will be there as it is. So now this x and x you can cancel it. Therefore your last answer will be 2. So therefore they have asked you f of x plus 2 minus f of 2 divided by x, that is equal to your last answer is 2. So this is the answer for your fifth question. Sixth question, a function f is defined by f of x is equal to 2x minus 3. In that 4 subdivision they have asked you. Okay, so first we'll just go to the condition what is given. So given, say what is given here, f of x is equal to 2x minus 3. So just write that f of x is equal to 2x minus 3. Now your first condition is what they have asked is find f of 0, f of 1 divided by 2. So what we need is first f of 0 is needed. Okay, so 0 means in the place of x you will have to put 0 in your given condition. So that is equal to, we have given already f2 into, instead of x you will have to put 0. So 2 into 0 minus 3. So 2 zeros I will get 0, minus 3 will be there as it is. So your answer is minus 3. So next part is f of 1 we need. So just write f of 1. So wherever x is there you will have to put 1. So whatever you are putting in your left hand side for x, you will have to put for right hand side also. Wherever x is there you will have to replace by 1. Okay, so left hand side we have finished. So going to your right hand side, so 2 into, instead of x 1 you will have to write minus that 3 will be there as it is. So 2 ones are 2 minus 3 So 2 minus 3 is minus 1. You will get bigger number symbol is minus. So subtract and put the bigger number symbol, otherwise sign. So 3 minus 2 will get 1. Bigger number sign is minus. So minus 1. Okay. So now we have got f of 0 and f of 1. They have asked to find f of 0 plus f of 1 divided by 2. So we'll just go f of 0 plus f of 1 divided by 2. You'll have to find it. So what we have got as f of 0 answer, that answer you can write it here instead of f of 0. Okay, so minus 3 pluses from here. Then f of 1 you will have to find it, so that we have got it as minus 1 divided by this 2 as it is. So which is equal to minus 3 plus into minus is minus 1 will be there divided by 2. Minus 4 by 2. So cancel it, you will get twice and here it is once. So answer is minus 2. So the next is second part. First part we have completed. The second part is find x such that f of x is equal to 0. So they have given f of x is equal to 0. So now what is given in our question as a condition, f of x is equal to 2x minus 3. So instead of f of x, if you want you can write f of x is equal to, as it is your question, 2x minus 3, that is equal to f of x 0 means this value will become that is equal to 0. Yeah. The next line is 2x is equal to this minus 3, if you take it towards your right hand side it will become plus 3. Therefore x is equal to 3. 2 is a multiplication here, so when you take towards your right hand side it will come to the denominator as 3 by 2. So therefore the value of x is equal to 3 by 2. They have asked you to find x only, so we have got x over here. Okay. Now the third subdivision, find x such that f of x is equal to x. Before they have given f of x is equal to 0, so we have given 0 here. Okay. Now they have given f of x is equal to x. So in the place of 0, we will have to give x. Okay. The third condition, they have given f of x is equal to x. So we'll just write here f of x is equal to, write your question as it is 2x minus 3, that is equal to, they have given x. So we'll just declare the answer as x. Okay. So from here you will have to find x. So I'll just keep this 2x here itself. Bring this x towards your left hand side, so it will become minus x. That is equal to this minus 3 towards your right hand side, so it will become plus 3. Now 2x minus x will become x. So that is equal to, here it is 3. Therefore the value of x is equal to 3. They have asked you to find x only. So the value of x is equal to 3. Fourth condition, find x such that f of x is equal to f of 1 minus x they have given. Okay. So first we will write your question first. So given f of x is equal to, your condition, this condition. Okay. So 2x minus 3. Now what they have asked, f of 1 minus x you will have to find. So f of 1 minus x is equal to, just see in the place of x we are writing 1 minus x. So what will happen towards your right hand side is, in the place of x you will have to write 1 minus x. Okay. So I'll just write this 2 as it is. Open your bracket. Instead of x you will have to write 1 minus x. Then minus this 3 is there as it is. Okay. Now we'll go for solving. Solving is nothing but just multiply this 2 inside. That is, for 1 also you will have to multiply, and for x also you will have to multiply. So 2 1 side will become 2. Minus is there as it is. So 2 into x will become 2x. Then this minus 3 is there as it is. So your next step is minus 2x I will write before. 2 and minus 3, when you are solving you will get minus 1. So now we have got f of 1 minus x. Okay. And the condition they have given is f of x is equal to f of 1 minus x. So we'll just write that line as it is. F of x is equal to f of 1 minus x. Now write what is your f of x from your question. It is 2x minus 3. that is equal to what we have got that answer for f of 1 minus x. This answer you will have to write it here. So you can equate both the sides. Okay, that is only they have given f of x is equal to f of 1 minus x. So f of x, your right hand side is 2x minus 3. I wrote it here. Then f of 1 minus x, your right hand side is minus 2x minus 1. Now you will have to find x from here. So solving, 2x will be there as it is. This minus 2x, bring it to your left hand side. So it will become plus 2x. Okay, equal to, keep this minus 1 as it is there. Bring this minus 3 towards your right hand side. So it will become plus 3. Now plus 2x and again plus 2x, it will become 4x. That is equal to, here minus 1 plus 3 is there. So subtract and put the bigger number symbol. Subtraction, you will get your 2. Bigger number symbol is plus only. Okay. So the next step is x is equal to 2 divided by 4. You can go for cancellation. Here it is once and here it is twice. So the answer x is equal to 1 by 2. So they have asked you to find x only. So we have got the value of x. So in 3 different methods we have got x value. Okay. So first is they have given f of x is equal to 0. For that we have got 1x. The next is they have given f of x is equal to x. So for that we will get one more x. And here the next condition is f of x is equal to f of 1 minus x. So again solving, you will get one more x over there. So this is the answer for your 6th question.